Viatec is a distributor of security and energy autonomy solutions. Our company has been on the security market for over 20 years. Over these years, we have selected the best brands in our portfolio for video surveillance, access control, and security alarm systems, as well as inverters, batteries, and solar panels for energy independence. We have representative offices in 8 cities of Ukraine, not counting Kiev, and we are not stopping there, so logistics and support work regardless of where your facility is located. Over 5,000 integrators have already chosen Viatec as their supplier. Behind this number is a team of over 200 specialists.
Before implementing the WMS, we clearly formulated our tasks. Firstly, to standardize all warehouse processes so that work does not depend on a specific person. Secondly, to minimize errors and eliminate situations where an incorrect order reaches the customer. It was also important for us to speed up the onboarding of new employees so that a person could simply follow the instructions on the handheld terminal and complete each step without improvisation. And of course, to achieve transparency and control over all operations in real time. We considered various options, but it was fundamentally important for us that the system adapted to our needs, not vice versa. We chose UIS because it is a Ukrainian developer that understands warehouse logic well, is open to dialogue, modifications, and developing the system with us. For me, as a manager, it is important that the WMS supports management logic rather than restricts it. Now, the WMS covers all key warehouse processes, from receiving and placing goods to picking, control, and shipping. At every stage, the system guides the employee through the handheld terminal, shows the sequence of actions, and records all operations in real time. Thus, we gain process control and accurate data at every stage. The arrival of goods is handled through the receiving operation. On the handheld terminal, we select Receiving. The supplier is selected. We navigate by the supplier's order number. We select it. And practically, the piece-by-piece receipt of the goods is carried out. The barcode is scanned. The system prompts to enter the number of pieces. The actual quantity is entered and confirmed with Enter. After receiving, all goods must be linked to a container for subsequent placement in a picking cell or storage. We register it and complete the document with the FN plus F5 key combination. That is it. The receiving is completed. We move on to the next operation, placement. On the handheld terminal, we select the put-away operation. The warehouse and partner are selected. And in order to place the goods into the picking or storage cells, we need to scan the barcode of the container, where all the goods received under this supply order are systematically placed. We scan the container's barcode, scan the item's barcode, and confirm the quantity being placed. Then, the system prompts us to scan an available receiving cell. We take the goods and place them into an available picking cell. For the actual placement, we place the goods in the cell and confirm the placement operation by scanning the cell where we put the goods. And the system signals us that the goods have been placed. This completes the placement operation. Next, we select the picking operation, and then immediately this window, where there is already a list of all orders, just picking. And we go in, where our delivery type is displayed, Nova Post, and the order number. The storekeeper simply confirms the order selection with Enter, and the system shows him where to move and what to start with. If the order is large, the storekeeper scans any cell in the area where he finished, and the system automatically adjusts the picking route to his location. That is, he does not have to go to the box that is displayed first. And the system has rerouted the path from the box where the storekeeper is currently located. That's it. And then, we just follow the cell it specifies, scan the starting cell. Our first one is B1013. The storekeeper goes to it and scans it. We scan. We take the required quantity of goods, which the system also duplicates for us. We confirm by pressing the keys. We take 6 pieces. After the order is fully picked, the system signals us with a green smiley that the order task is fully picked. Our next action is scanning the printer's barcode. Now we systematically scan cell K12, which signifies transferring the order for control. And here it displays to us that the picking document is complete. The next stage for us is the control operation. Yes, the order control operation, where we check the accuracy of the picked order and minimize the possibility of an incorrect order reaching the customer. We confirm with the OK button. We select Delivery Order Control. The next step is to scan the order's barcode. After the picking process, the system provides us with a receipt slip containing the order number, delivery type, and the items that were picked for this order. To perform control, the employee scans the order barcode with the handheld terminal, and then checks each item one by one. Initially, our sequence of actions is as follows. We scan the product's barcode. We work with serialized goods, which we record in the system. Then, we scan the item's serial number, and we do this sequentially for each item. For every step the warehouse worker takes, the system details each action that needs to be performed. The next action is to scan the product's barcode and the serial number's barcode. If an item that wasn't and shouldn't be in this order ends up in the control check, the system alerts us that there is no such item. This is a signal for the employee performing the control process that the item does not belong to this order and should be set aside. Upon completion of the control check, if the order has been verified and all the items that were supposed to be in this order have been scanned, the system prompts us, enter the number of packages. We enter the number of packages based on the actual packing. So, at this point, we proceed to pack the scanned items. Once packed, we enter the number of packages to receive the shipping labels from the sender. We scan the printer's barcode and receive the electronic waybill. Order shipment. We go into the shipment section. The handheld terminal shows what needs to be done next. Right now, we need to scan the barcode of the shipping cell. We scan the label's barcode. To complete the shipment, so that the orders systematically change their status to shipped, we need to use the key combination FN plus F5 and confirm the completion of the shipment. Shipment completed successfully. The system allows us not merely to work according to a template, but to customize and improve processes to meet the actual needs of the warehouse. It is also important that there is constant communication with the developer, the possibility for custom modifications, and rapid processing of requests. We do not adapt the warehouse to fit the system. Rather, the system evolves alongside the warehouse. After implementing the WMS, we achieved transparency and controllability over our warehouse processes. The processes have become standardized, the impact of the human factor has decreased, and new employees get up to speed much faster. Today, we operate 14 warehouses across 10 cities in Ukraine within a single WMS, and I can control all processes from anywhere. Without a WMS, managing such a scale would be impossible. Most importantly, we are not stopping. We continue to optimize our processes and grow further with the WMS from UIS.